Don't feel anxious, don't feel shame. If there's a question, it can't wait.
Hey guys, hi, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, you're definitely welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome. My name is Miran Okonkwo. I am a Nigerian content creator based in Minnesota. I make productivity videos, business videos regarding my side hustle, building a career in the US. If those are videos that interest you, then definitely consider joining the family and subscribing. In today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing. Yes, it's official. At this point, I'm going to call myself an Apple freak or something. I love all Apple products, and when I heard they were coming out with a laptop that had a memory card space slot, I was like, yes. Finally, they're listening. My last MacBook, which is the 2020 Macbook Pro, I love it, don't get me wrong. The only thing I wish it had was that memory card and ability to just plug in your stuff and, you know, go ahead and use your laptop. Let me grab it actually. Yeah, one thing I was really missing was the fact that I couldn't plug my stuff directly and just go ahead and use my laptop immediately. I had to use it with a dongle. Even though the stuff is lightweight, easy to carry, it's just an extra piece, and I don't like dangling wires on my table or anywhere around. So I'm really happy that they finally listened to us and put the memory card slot and the regular memory card thing slot on the new Mac. It looked, from all the videos that I watched, the laptop definitely looks heavy and what's not, but I think I'm okay with that as long as they're giving me what I want. So as I was saying about my old laptop, this is what it looks like. So you basically had to plug this into this for you to be able to use it, which was a hassle. It wasn't a big deal, but convenience. So I guess I was just paying for that extra convenience, ability to just use my stuff on the go. So I'm really excited to be doing this unboxing. By the way, I did get an iPhone 13 Pro Max, which I'm so excited by. And of course, I'm shooting on my iPhone 13 Pro Max. If you like this quality, then this is what you're going to get. And I'm using the cinematic mode on the phone. I did promise to do a comparison between this phone and my old phone, which was iPhone 12 Pro Max, but I wasn't able to do that because I sold my phone before I could get a chance to film with it. So that's fine. I mean, you guys probably have seen like some of the video clips from my vlogs where I use the phone, so you can kind of like gauge the quality. One thing I do want to say is that iPhones typically perform better in very good lighting or outdoor. You're going to get fantastic pictures, so stick around. I'm definitely going to do a review of the camera quality, especially for content creators, because I'm assuming it's mostly content creators and YouTubers that will be purchasing the phone because they want to use it for their YouTube channel, invest in their YouTube channel. So I definitely got you covered. I'll be using it for a couple of weeks to vlog and do stuff, just because my camera is not arriving until January, so that's a long time, and today is currently the 21st of November, so that's a long. Anyways, with that introduction aside, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox. I am so excited. I know I mentioned it earlier, but oh my goodness, the satisfaction of just unboxing a new item is just, there's nothing that beats it. So if you do enjoy watching this video after you've watched it to the end, definitely consider joining the family so you can watch like or see videos from my previous. Also, you can keep seeing videos. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. I'm gonna switch over to my husband's camera. He's also using 13 Pro Max, so I'm gonna be using that over the table shot so that you guys can see how I unbox it. I'm gonna maybe tear the pack here and then we'll figure it out. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. This is what it looks like. So let's tear off the wrap together. Okay, and then you open it like this and then you see the news. Unlike Amazon, I hardly ever return my items because I'm always sure of what I buy. So the one I got, the 14 inches M1 Pro, this is the 1 terabyte with 16 gig. I don't know why they didn't write it here, but that's what I got. And then we can also confirm once we log into the laptop itself. But this is super cute, you know. I'm really excited. I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like. So let's go ahead and switch over to this other side so we can see.
Another day. Don't feel like it's all in vain. I try to remember, it ain't a race. Breathe out, it doesn't matter anyway. Breathe happiness in the air. Take it slow, watch the road. Stop driving myself insane. The end of the day. You got me indigo, dreaming. You got me indigo, dreaming. You got me.
Damn, it's actually slightly heavy. It's slightly heavier than this, even though this one has a cover on it. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Yo, what? Guys, what? It is so freaking pretty. It looks, I don't know, well, you know, Apple be there killing it, so I have no doubt. The only thing, yeah, I forgot to mention, I don't know if I'm gonna like this, because I mean, I'm gonna have the case on, but I just feel like it's just gonna be accumulating like dirt as you're lifting it. So I don't know if this was a smart move, but yeah, it's definitely more rounded than the MacBook Pro, the 2020 MacBook Pro, which I have beside me. Let me show you. I'm just gonna get rid of the case. So this is the old, this is what it looks like. And then one thing I liked about this one was that it had like the touch bar. Can you see? Well, this new one doesn't. I really don't care much for it, because honestly I had, but yeah, this is what it looks like side by side, and they are both gray, but for some reason I feel like the new gray is darker. I don't know if you can see that across the back, but yeah, it's so pretty. I love it. So let's do the side by side comparison. So this is the new MacBook Pro, this is the 2020 MacBook Pro. Side by side, as you can see, it's definitely boxier. Can you see? Definitely thicker, and it's bigger. Can you see that? But yeah, oh god, it feels so good. It's like they brought back the old MacBook Pro, the old one design that used to be boxier, but this is so, I hope I didn't. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this bad boy. Okay, my nails won't let me be great. I'm tempted to leave the cover on because I want to get a screen cover. For the purpose of this tutorial, I guess I can take it out. It's so cute. Well, hello. This is cute. So I'm just going to go ahead and set it up and show you guys how I set up my new laptop, and I'll just come over. Let me know if you want me to do like a laptop test. Let me tell you one thing though, if you're planning to buy a MacBook Pro, one advice I would give you is save your money and get a MacBook Pro with a lot of memory space. So the higher the RAM, the better it's going to perform. There was one time I was using the MacBook Pro and I was using the 8 gig along with 256 gig RAM space, and it wasn't enough. My laptop would always hang. I couldn't open more than 10 tabs, and if you know me, I open a lot of tabs, especially because I'm a student, so I have like so many tabs on one subject, and of course I can't remember all the things I type, so I usually just leave it on until I'm done with exams. So I needed something that was really strong, so I went up and got the 16 gig and 512 gig, and it did really well. No lagging. Just quite recently to just lag for a few seconds, almost not noticeable. Definitely way better than first one, so definitely invest in getting more RAM. If you can do 32 gig, honestly I would advise you to that, and the RAM is more important. So you do maybe 16 or 32 gig and then do 512 gig or 1 terabyte. My new laptop is 16 gig RAM and 1 terabyte, so I basically might not be needing my hard drive unless I just want to stay backup stuff, not that I need to store them, because with the old one I have to move everything, edit and do everything on my hard drive. I guess I'll still be doing that here, but I'm not like, it's not by force to do it that way. Do you understand? So that's exciting. I'm gonna go ahead and set up my laptop. I'm so pumped, I'm so happy, and I'll see you guys once I'm done, just to give you guys a brief. Here's how I'm see now, so stay tuned.
Dreaming, it's just this feeling, and I'm letting go. Don't feel anger, don't feel rage. If there's an answer, it can't wait till another day. Don't regret making mistakes. There's no need, it's just the game. Breathe out, it doesn't matter anyway. Breathe in, it's about happiness in the air. Take it slow, watch the road. Stop driving myself insane.